I need to pee. I'm bursting. I'm bursting. Where's the nearest restroom? I'm very hungry. I'm starving. I'm starving. When's dinner ready? I'm very tired. I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted after that long hike. I'm very happy. I'm over the moon. She was over the moon after getting the job. I'm very angry. I'm fuming. He was fuming when he heard the news. I'm very sad. I'm heartbroken. She was heartbroken after the breakup. I'm very scared. I'm terrified. I'm terrified of spiders. I'm very excited. I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled to see you again. I'm very cold. I'm freezing. Let's go inside. I'm freezing out here. I'm very hot. I'm boiling. I'm boiling. Turn on the fan. I don't understand. I'm lost. Sorry, I'm lost. Can you explain again? I understand. I get it. Oh, I get it now. I'm busy. I'm tied up. I am tied up at the moment. Can we talk later? I agree. I'm on board. I'm on board with your plan. I don't like it. It's not my cup of tea. Horror movies aren't my cup of tea. Let's meet. Let's catch up. Let's catch up over coffee soon. I'm going to sleep. I'm hitting the sack. I'm hitting the sack. Good night. He's crazy. He's out of his mind. He is out of his mind to do that. Calm down. Take it easy. Take it easy. Everything will be fine. Hurry up. Step on it. Step on it, we're late. He is rich. He's loaded. That guy's loaded, look at his car. He is poor. He's broke. I can't go out, I'm totally broke. He's smart. He's sharp. She's really sharp in math. He's lazy. He's a couch potato. My brother's such a couch potato on weekends. He's annoying. He's a pain. He can be a real pain sometimes. He's a good person. He's a gem. She's a gem, always helping everyone. He's attractive. He's hot. Everyone thinks he's hot. He's boring. He's a bore. That speaker was a total bore. He's stupid. He's clueless. He is clueless about how computers work. He talks too much. He's a chatterbox. My kid's a little chatterbox. I'm going out. I'm heading out. I'm heading out, see you later. I'm coming. I'm on my way. I'm on my way, be there in 10. I arrived. I made it. I made it just in time. Wait a minute. Hang on. Hang on, I'll be right back. Be careful. Watch out. Watch out, there's ice on the floor. Be quiet. Pipe down. Pipe down, I'm trying to study. Answer the phone. Pick up. Can you pick up the phone? I forgot. It slipped my mind. Sorry, it slipped my mind about the meeting.